Okay, so today it was a successful day. I succeed to launch, no, not launch, to build a website about tutorial and education. It's my first website. It's YouAreLucky.io. It's a simple landing page for the moment, and uh, and I had launched a few weeks ago the open source documentation for Web3 makers and NFT creators. But I think it was not the good idea to use Gitbook because I'm very limited for that. So we decide, sorry, also because now I'm not alone on this project. I have a co-founder, so we decide to launch an learning application. So I'm very I'm very happy to do that because uh, on only few days I succeed to do that. It's with Gatsby, so on React.js Gatsby. Uh, For the deployment, I use Vercel. It works very well, uh, and uh, and the foundation of the application. I think the first version and the foundation of the application is are already done. So here it's some articles. So here I will put some tutorial. So I can go to the next step. So as you can see here, it's next article. Oh, okay. I have to understand why I have that also. Okay. Okay. I have to understand what happened. But you have also a page like that where each author of tutorial we can reference all of his tutorial. And so that it's for today. Yes, the web environment is done now. I have to customize the content because for the moment I put some mock content, so some Lorem ipsum content. Oh yes, also I forget to say I use Contentful for that. It's connected with Contentful. I don't know if I can do a demo now. As you can see here, getting started here, and so yes, everything it's connected for the moment. So that it's for today. I think the next step that I have to do is to set up Google Analytics, work on the SEO. I really want to add an wallet connect. So I will see. But for the moment, yeah, the application, the Academy YouAreLucky is ready.